Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nokia Beacon too. First, unbox your device and ensure you have all the components, including the power adapter and an Ethernet cable. Plug the power adapter into your beacon and then into a wall outlet. Next, connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the beacon's WAN port and the other end to your internet modem. Once your first beacon is powered on and connected, download the Nokia Wi-Fi app to your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and follow the simple steps to create a new account or sign in if you already have one. The app will then guide you to scan the QR code located on the bottom of your beacon to complete the initial setup. To expand your Wi-Fi coverage, strategically place additional Nokia beacons throughout your home. Power on each new beacon and wait for its indicator light to show it's ready for connection. Then, open the Nokia Wi-Fi app again and follow the prompts to add these new beacons to your existing mesh network, creating seamless coverage. To ensure the best performance, regularly check the Nokia Wi-Fi app for signal strength readings and adjust your beacon placement if necessary. If you encounter any connectivity problems, a simple restart of your internet modem and all your beacons can often resolve them. Remember, a smooth network makes everything better. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.